Saw a really good thing today, which got me motivated, more motivated than going to the gym. I've just finished my gym session, had a decent workout with my personal trainer. It was on my way going to the gym when I saw a couple walking together, and they were holding hands. I just looked at them and just thought it's an absolute inspiration, so I had to go and walk over to them. So I struck a conversation with them, asked them how long they've been married, and they've been married for 50 years, 50. Yes, we would identify them as an elderly couple, and just the attention that they both gave each other was absolutely amazing. So it's given me more of a personal perspective on relationships and making sure you're doing right by your partner and your family as well. It was just really amazing to watch and see. So I literally had to go over to have a conversation, let them know that they are an inspiration to all people, and it's just nice to see. 50 years, wow, it's an achievement. I've been married 15 years, so yeah, and they again congratulated me on that. So just wanted to do a quick post on relationships and partnerships being so important. It's so important to get you through in life. So yeah, it was just a nice thing to see.